I just want to make sure we're in the proper PSI for the tires. I might be able to just get one more ride out of these tires here. It's definitely showing signs of flat spots, and it's definitely wearing down. On my last set, I got 3,000 miles out of these Super Corsas, but it's about that time, I guess. Let's turn this off. Sheesh. You can tell it's been sitting because all these spider webs, man. Oh my gosh. I am sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I've been neglecting you. Alright. I think we're ready to go. I don't even know how much fuel's in this thing. I have been taking out the BMW S1000 R all the time, like almost every ride throughout the summer, just because the comfort, you know. It's like it's so much easier to ride on the street. Having said that, I mean, I owned this Panigale even before I bought the BMW, and I thought, I don't know what people talking about, how hard it is to ride on the street, how uncomfortable it is, and I did just fine until I got on the BMW and owned one. And boy, the level of comfort is way better than Ducati. This bike never ceases to amaze me. Just the power. It's so much torque. I am running the T800 up map on this bike. And the power is just enormous. Meeting up with a buddy. I wasn't even planning on riding today at all. Just feel a little lazy. It's a lazy Sunday. Let's get out. I wanted to test out my new camera too, the Insta Ace Pro. Just hasn't been having much luck with my GoPro. Just making all kinds of clicking noises, popping sound, and I don't know what the deal is. I had replaced the media mod housing. I thought it went bad, so I replaced it, but I'm still doing it. So I bought another lavalier microphone, and it's still doing it. So beside buying another camera, I don't know what else to do. I couldn't get rid of that sound. Anyways, man, I'm glad I'm out and about today. Jeez. Feels like forever. So this is 2022 Panigale V4s. I put on almost 7,000 miles since I own it day one. And man, this bike is different. It's just a total different beast. I don't know if anything can be just comparable feel to it. I mean, honestly, I can't even compare the S1000RR to this. Even though my Beamer, I think it's fast. It's a fast bike, but it's more like a top end power. Whereas this, the torques, the powers on the low end as well. So the downside of this bike, as to the reason why I haven't been riding it so much either, the seating position is, it's pushing you a lot more forward, which leading to shoulder pain. I don't know about you guys, man. I'm just not as young as I used to be. Maybe getting closer to getting that a touring bike, perhaps adventure bike. Oh man, I can't even see myself on those at all. I've always loved sport bike. But probably about 10 minutes into this already, I'm already feeling my shoulder. Just the amount of stress on it. I'm trying to like relax my hands, and that helps a little bit. But for a longer ride, I don't know. It hasn't been that fun. Usually I take this out, maybe a shorter ride, just for fun. Also, another thing that kind of dreading about putting mileage on this bad boy too, it's just the Desmo service, which I believe is around 15,000 miles, and I believe it's around $3,000. It's almost like one of those things, man. It's like you gotta pay to play. You got expensive toys, the maintenance and everything else, expensive. So one of the things that crossed my mind a few times now is whether or not I should keep this bike. Number one, I don't ride as much. Number two is it's like almost $35,000 just sitting in the garage. Even though it is my dream bike, or it was, you know, now that I own it, kind of been there, done that. I do spend a lot of time on the S1000. is kind of sketchy because it's still wet. And I already start seeing leaves on the ground. That's another obstacle. Another obstacle to deal with.
Yeah. How you feel? It's alright. I kinda sensed that. That's why I just gotta slow down. Okay. I was like, oh shit, I forgot to get you on the calm. I said, just ride your own ride, take it easy, let all those comes back to you, you know? If you force it, shit's gonna happen, and yeah.